Hello dear students, all of you welcome. In this video we are covering the taxation treatment of gratuity received by a non-government employee who is not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. So in our last class we discussed that for taxation purpose of gratuity, employees can be categorized into three: government employees, non-government employees who is covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act, and those who are not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. Here we are having the third case and the last case. The question is here: Mr. X retired on 10th April 2019 after serving for 30 years and 7 months. He was getting a salary at the rate of Rs 15,000 per month from 1/1/2018 to 31/12/2018 and thereafter Rs 15,600 per month. He received DA at the rate of 3,000 per month, which is forming part of salary for the computation of retirement benefits, and 2% commission on sales achieved by him. Turnover achieved by him during 10 months in brackets preceding the months in which he retired amounts to Rs 24 lakhs. He received a gratuity of Rs 4,68,000. You are required to compute the amount of gratuity, and this employee is not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. So that is the question. Here we are given with a table which contains the rules of death cum retirement gratuity that we discussed last day. In this table, the column which is relevant for today's computation is the last one. Employees not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act section 10(10)(3). List of the following three amounts are exempted. First one is 1/2 month salary for each year of completed service. Second figure is 20 lakhs, that is a notified limit. And third one is the gratuity actually received. Here we want to compute only the first item. Second one that you have to remember. Third one that will be given in the question. The first item that is computed, half month salary for each completed years of service. So what is the meaning of salary here? Salary here means salary for HRA. So what is the salary of HRA? Basic pay plus DA forming part of salary and commission based on fixed percentage of turnover. Okay. The calculation of 1/2 month salary will be based on average salary of last 10 months preceding the date of retirement or death, as the case may be. The employee is receiving gratuity at the time of leaving the service or at the time of death. Whatever may be the case, we have to compute last 10 months average salary first. Okay, so the first item can be computed like this: last 10 months average salary into 1/2 into completed years of service. Here, while taking the completed years of service, you don't want to take the service in months, only the completed years will be taken. Mr. X is having a service of 30 years and 7 months, right? After serving 30 years and 7 months, he is retiring. So 7 months we are ignoring, only the completed years of service, 30 years that we are taking. Last 10 months immediately preceding the month of retirement. He is retired on 10th April 2019. So what are the 10 months which are coming just before the month of retirement? That is taken from June 2018, July 2018, August, September, October, November, December 2018. Up to December 2018 there are 7 months. January 2019, February 2019 and March 2019, 3 months. So the total 10 months just before the month of retirement starts from June 2018 and ends on March 2019. That is the 10 months. So what is the basic salary of this person? Mr. X basic salary is 15,000 per month from 1/1/2018 to 31st 12/2018. After that, that is increased to rupees 15,600 per month. So for the month of Jan, February and March 2019, his basic pay is 15,600. And for the remaining 7 months, June to December, his basic pay is 15,000 per month. So the total basic salary for the last 10 months immediately preceding the month of retirement is computed as 15,000 into 7 for 7 months, 15,600 into 3. Okay, so that is the basic pay. So that amounts to rupees 15,000 into 7 is equal to 1,05,000. 15,600 into 3 is equal to 46,800. So that is the total basic pay. DA is received at the rate of 3,000 per month. 3,000 into 10. Right? Commission is computed on the basis of the turnover achieved by him. Just before the retirement, 10 months immediately preceding that month of retirement, he achieved a sale of a turnover of 24 lakhs. 24 lakhs into 2%, that is the commission of Mr. X for the last 10 months. So that amounts to rupees 48,000. So that his salary for the last 10 months will be 2,29,800. Okay. Here we want to compute the first item, half month salary on the basis of the average salary for the last 10 months for every completed years of service. That is the item we want to take. 2,29,800 is the last 10 months salary divided by 10 will give you last 10 months average salary into 1 by 2 into 30 years completed service. That is the first item. Okay, here is the solution. You just go through the items. What are the items which are the average basic pay they computed? DA per month, monthly commission, average monthly salary is 22,980. Okay, 22,980 into 1 by 2 into completed years of service. 22,980 into 1 by 2 will give you half month salary. Half month salary based on the average salary for the last 10 months. For every completed years of service into 30, that amounts to rupees 3,44,700. Second item is the notified limit, that is the ceiling limit 20 lakhs, that is notified by the government, that you want to remember just. And the actual gratuity received by Mr. X is 4,68,000. Of the three amounts, the least amount is the first item that we computed, 3,44,700. That is the exempted amount of gratuity. So what is the taxable amount of gratuity? Taxable amount will be equal to the actual gratuity received, 4,68,000 minus the amount of gratuity exempted, 3,44,700. Right? So that's all about the computation. Okay, you just look it.